Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start with two prerequisites: a working 2017 Malibu head unit and a certified lightning cable. Plug the cable into the front USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. This port routes data, not just power. On your iPhone, unlock the screen and, if prompted, tap Trust. Once connected, make sure iOS is up to date and CarPlay is enabled in settings right arrow general right arrow CarPlay. This prevents handshake errors and speeds pairing. Now operate the infotainment screen. Tap Projection or Phone, then choose Apple CarPlay when it appears. You must enable Siri on the iPhone. CarPlay relies on voice commands for navigation and messages, so say yes to any prompts. Grant permission for CarPlay to access while locked to keep navigation and music uninterrupted. Make sure Bluetooth is off only if instructed by the system. Normally, CarPlay via USB uses wired data and will take priority automatically. Finish by launching Maps, Music, and Phone through the CarPlay interface. Use the steering wheel voice button to confirm Siri responds. If the screen shows a blank or stuck CarPlay, unplug and reconnect the cable, then restart both iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Soft resets clear most handshake faults. If issues persist, swap to an Apple-certified lightning cable and try the other front USB port. These hardware fixes resolve more than half of connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.